Hello there, this is a video on how to use the Readspeaker Textaid system in Canvas. So to use the Readspeaker Textaid system, you're going to be looking for a link that says Readspeaker Textaid in your course somewhere. And typically the way you'll find it is you'll go to your modules, and Readspeaker Textaid should be in a section with accessibility tools. Now, it may not be in the Start Here module, it might be down here in like Resources, or the instructor may have put it elsewhere in the course, but you should have a Readspeaker Textaid link somewhere. Now, side note for instructors, if this Readspeaker Textaid link does not appear in your course, you can always go up to a module that you want to put it in, click this little plus sign, you're going to add an external tool, and you're going to scroll down until you find Readspeaker Textaid. You'll click it, you'll click Add Item, and it'll be right there. You will need to publish it, but once you've done that, students will be able to see it. I'll delete this one just so that I don't have two of them in this course. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the link for the Readspeaker Textaid. Now, as you can see, the first time I open it, I have this privacy consent form, and you'll need to read through this and accept the terms before you can use Readspeaker. Okay, so here we can see the homepage, I guess, of Readspeaker Textaid, where we can view all these buttons on the side. So the Listen button here does what you would think. When you click it, it will read whatever is on this panel here on the right. If we click a new text, we can then either type in this or we can copy-paste from another source, and that way we can actually have it read, by clicking this Listen button, whatever we copy and pasted in here. If you need to upload a document, or if you have a document already saved into Readspeaker, you can use the library here to open up documents that you have already saved, or you can upload documents from your computer. Now, note that your library will be different from everyone else's. So as an instructor, if you have documents in your library, students won't be able to see those necessarily. And as a student, if you upload something into your library, your instructor won't be able to see it either. The last thing I'd like to show you is how to use the OCR, or Optical Character Recognition software within Readspeaker. And in order to do that, I've set up another page called this OCR demo. I'm going to go into student view so we can see what it will look like for a student. And as you can see, I have this mileage chart PDF. So I'm going to click on it, and when it opens up, we'll notice that this PDF is really just a scanned image. It doesn't actually have text that I can highlight or anything like that. So it's really hard for screen readers to, read this. So what I will do is I will go to Alternative Formats, and I'm going to download it as an OCR'd PDF. I'll click this download button, and it'll download to my computer. And one quick note, your PDF, or whatever file it may be, may look slightly different if your instructor has put it inline in the module. And if that's the case, instead of going up here where the alternative format was before, we're going to click this little arrow and click Alternative Formats from there. We'll download the same OCR'd PDF and click Download just like before. It just is going to look slightly different. And then I can go ahead and save that and then upload it into this Readspeaker Textaid library, and that will then allow Readspeaker to read that document for me. So let's see if I can find it. And when I do upload, I can upload in a different voice. I can save it in my root folder from my computer. I'm going to select my document. Typically, your OCR documents will say something like document name -ocr.pdf. So I'll click Open, and then I'll click Upload. Oops, I forgot to choose my voice. And then when the window closes, my document should be here. Now I can open the file, and it will load. And now I can click this Listen button. I'm not actually going to click it because it would make this video very confusing, but I can click the Listen button to read this PDF. Now note that this OCR technology is not 100% perfect. There may be instances where it does mess up a little bit, or if the scan isn't particularly good, it may miss some words, or think words are different than they are. but it will be much, much better than not being able to have this at all. So this is a brief overview of Readspeaker Textaid and the OCR system. Hopefully this is useful to you, and if you have any questions, please let us know at elearning@cocc.edu. Thanks.